All right, this is Wednesday, September 1st, 2010. I'm out in the back of the field tonight, in the very back of it, and I'm looking off to the east. Here's an Orion ship. Just basically, as soon as I got here, I saw the ship just hovering the tree lines back out here. Just basically, and it was slowly moving upwards. Just drifting up, but not moving to the left or the right or forward. Just seemingly lifting straight up. Seems like it might be moving a little bit forward now. Yep, this is definitely one of the Orion ships. And I greet you guys tonight on this hot summer's eve, late summer. It's very hot out and humid today, up in the near 95. Still warm tonight, like 80 degrees. Just really balmy weather. Yep, this Orion ship was just basically skirting the treetops when I got out here. It was really low, and then slowly, now it's starting to come at me. Yeah, it's definitely coming to the west now. See, it's getting closer. Awesome, look at that. Zoom in a little more. This is cool. There's no sound with this so far. It's still maybe 1/8 of a mile away from me. It's very close. Wow. Thank you, my friends, for this sighting. Wow, I don't think I've seen the lights arranged on the light pattern arranged on the craft as this is new. I don't think I've seen this before. There's two little lights in the front like that. Or the back, this could be the back of the craft. No, I think that's the front. Awesome, look at the... Now the sound with it. Hold on a sec. There it is. Yeah, I think this is a triangular craft and it's flying backwards. I may be wrong. Could be forward. It's really hard to tell sometimes. Wow, now this craft is turned around, kind of flying right over next to me. Now it's going to the south. Wow, look at that. Awesome. Holy smokes. Abena's new ship. Hold on. Oh. There it is. I had to walk a few paces to catch it. But did you hear that noise? Man, she was letting out the alien sound. Abena, thank you. That was Abena in her new craft right there. Look at it. She's headed off to the southeast. Just awesome, girl. Thanks. What a... There's that new craft. And I do think she was flying it backwards. So what we're looking at right here is the front. And what you see up that light, that looks like it's at the bottom of the craft there. That's near the back of the craft. And that's part of the core. The propulsion tachyon based core. But did you hear the sound on that? Man, she was letting some of the alien sound of that craft loose right there for just a few seconds. Gosh, that was spectacular. Thank you, Abena.